Insert water pipes according to number ports. Note: normal temperature return, auto pipes, have no fall direction restrictions. Turn on the equipment circuit breaker main power switch. After powering the chiller, activate its power switch and verify normal operation. Connect and hand tighten the rotary shaft and air hose connectors. Release the emergency stop button after activating the circuit breaker. Then power on the system sequentially using the control buttons. Upon startup, all axes will automatically return to home positions. Proceed to software operation only after homing completion.